And a chance for a three-point play here.
Smart play by Kevin Durant, recognizing there was contact. Here's the whistle, turns and shoots.
James trying to harass Curry. Curry off the dribble, layup off the glass.
Time MVP against LeBron James says, everybody out of my way. Allow me to have this dance. Break down the finish. Beautiful. That's Steph Curry with the shot.
Irving, the spin move, off balance, won't go. Curry. Oh, what a pass from Livingston, throws it down. Timeout Cavaliers.
Steph Curry putting on a show, scoring the basketball. How about pushing it in transition? Making a play for Livingston.
Kevin Love blocked by Durant. His fifth rejection of the game.
And then offensively, taking over the final. Mama, there goes that man.